When people think about Mauritius, they usually imagine luxury resorts and crystal clear blue water. But today, we're exploring a completely different side of Mauritius, a side that still feels raw, untouched, and honestly, one of the most underrated road trips on the island. Today's journey through southwest Mauritius includes hidden beaches, dramatic coastal roads, Africa's largest seashell collection, local food, and a sunset we may never forget. Our day started at Vanilla Village Café, and honestly, this place felt like the perfect combination of tropical jungle vibes, peaceful island energy, and beautiful aesthetics. Having breakfast here genuinely felt like sitting in a cafe somewhere in Bali. The coffee was super fresh, the ambience was incredibly relaxing, and for a moment, we honestly didn't feel like leaving. After breakfast, we drove towards one of the most iconic coastal roads in Mauritius, and suddenly, we reached Maconde Viewpoint. This place feels unbelievably cinematic. Standing here with the dramatic ocean views honestly feels like being inside a movie scene. Interestingly, this area was once inaccessible before the coastal road was built here.
Our next stop was Belle Ombre Public Beach. It wasn't completely empty, but it had exactly the peaceful local vibe we wanted to experience in Mauritius. Some locals were camping, some were enjoying barbecues, while others were simply relaxing by the ocean. Honestly, places like this feel much more special than crowded tourist beaches. In South Mauritius, you get to experience real island life beyond luxury resorts, and that's exactly what makes this place unique. The ocean colors, mountains, and peaceful atmosphere looked like a real-life postcard. After spending time at the beach, we were obviously hungry, so we stopped at La Roche, Cari, a small local restaurant serving authentic Mauritian food. Exploring local restaurants like this honestly feels far more fun and memorable than visiting touristy cafes. And if you ever visit Mauritius, definitely try local Creole food. Next, we arrived at one of the most unexpected places in today's vlog, the World of Seashells Museum. Honestly, we thought it would be a small museum, but once we entered, we were completely shocked. This is actually Africa's largest seashell collection museum, with more than 8,000 seashells from around the world. Some of them looked so unique that we had never seen anything like them before. But this place is not just about shells. It combines science, mythology, ocean life, and interactive learning experiences. One of the most fascinating parts was seeing how shell patterns follow Fibonacci sequences and mathematical principles found in nature. Watching nature follow mathematics so perfectly was honestly mind-blowing.
way, if you are enjoying the video so far, don't forget to leave a quick like. Your support genuinely motivates us to keep discovering hidden places like these. After that, we explored an abandoned sugar mill known as Agria Sugar Mill. Mauritius has a deep historical connection with the sugar industry, and places like these still reflect the island's colonial past. Our next stop was Belle Ombre Nature Reserve, and this place is truly a paradise for adventure lovers. From quad biking and safari tours to hiking trails surrounded by greenery, the entire place feels wild and untouched. During the road trip, we also randomly stopped at a few hidden coastal spots along the way. And honestly, that's what makes South Mauritius so special. Even unplanned stops here turn into beautiful experiences. Then we arrived at one of the most unique beaches in Mauritius, Rivière des Galets. This is not your typical white sand tropical beach. The shoreline here is filled with smooth black pebbles and volcanic rocks, giving the entire place a raw and dramatic look. But honestly, the most magical part of this beach is not the view. It's the sound. When the waves crash against thousands of pebbles, they create an unbelievably soothing sound that feels almost therapeutic. It's one of those places where you naturally stop talking and just listen to the ocean. As the day slowly started coming to an end, we stopped at St. Felix Public Beach. During weekends, this place feels full of local Mauritian culture. Families enjoying picnics, music playing in the background, barbecues everywhere, and a very lively atmosphere. And then, suddenly, our day turned into a complete movie moment. While returning, we saw a seaplane landing at Prairie Beach. This is the same area where the famous underwater waterfall seaplane tours take off. Watching the plane land with Morne in the background and sunset colors all around us honestly felt unreal. And with this unforgettable sunset, our South Mauritius road trip finally came to an end. If you truly want to explore the hidden and less touristy side of Mauritius, then the Southwest region is absolutely worth visiting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which place was your favorite. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye from Mauritius.